41C Holly Close of Escrow walkthrough. Since I was here yesterday, they've removed the car, the fish tank, and the barbecue grill. So that's a plus. Plus, some of the utilities have been turned on. I ran the faucet for a long time just to ensure there were no leaks, but also to make sure they had dumped concrete down, which apparently has been done. Rarely, but it has been done. I'm just gonna let that run for a while. This all looks the same. Okay, turn that off. Locked. Okay, let's head upstairs. The water was turned off, so there's going to be air bubbles. No leaking. Okay. Okay, that's it.